Okay, we're back, and my controller is not alive. Sucks. Okay, let's just get this over with. Okay. Gazebo. Whatever the heck you people call it. Oh, there you go. Nope. Screw that. Screw that. Run. This way, this way, this way. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Screw the flashlight. I'm just gonna run. So yeah, I'm gonna upload a lot more than I used to. Probably at least once or twice a day. And I'll eventually go back to COD, and I just want to play some white noise for a while because it's a really fun game. A lot of people want me to play a scary game. People on Instagram, you know who you are. And like, it took about 2 hours to put this video up. It finally got up. Well, the last video, but it'll take as much as this one too. So I'm just gonna go this way. Through the rocks. Nope, not through the rocks. Screw that. Bad idea. Don't go through the rocks, guys. How many do I have? Hopefully not too many. I think I have 4. I don't like the flickering of the flashlight. I feel like it's about to die. Like if it flickers too much, it'll just go out, and I'll be like, no. Looks like it's getting dimmer too. What? I'm not even looking at you. Stop making everything so fizzly. And no, it's not the quality of the camera and TV that's making it look like that. That's the actual game. Apparently you're holding a really bad camera because it's making everything look like this. If I go around the corner, will he be there? I don't think there's anything here. No, that was where I was gonna go! Douche. Actually, I want to do one more video of this if I continue living this episode. Holy crap. That wasn't me who screamed, that was the actual character. Nothing's there. I'm good. I have a tendency to look behind me a lot because I don't like being followed in real life either, so look behind me in this game, I feel like it's real life. Okay. This is quite fun. Oh. He's not there. I'll be okay. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. See? I'm perfectly fine. Nothing's gonna happen. Oh crap, back at the gazebo. I'm going this way. Nope, not going that way. Unless I hear something over here. I hear it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me? How do people do this? Okay, that's enough. Well, thank you all for watching. And yeah, that was a horrible reaction. I actually want to show you guys my character real quick. I mean, I didn't make him look anything like me, I just did because I can. I just thought he looked cool. Of course, the TV is being stupid now. It's a freaking black line on the TV. I'm actually thinking about streaming. You know? Oh my gosh. What is going on with my camera? Whatever. Well, you just pause the video to see him. I'll see you guys next time. And hopefully my camera will stop doing this. Seizure alert. But yeah, we'll be playing probably a different game next time. Okay, I hate this camera.